Hello friend, today day 24, 30 minutes every day running challenge. The challenge will be going on 100 days. I was complete 1/4 of my target, and now after some time I was starting to my run. I will start to my run. I was done 6 minutes, remaining 24 minutes. I was done 12 minutes, remaining 18 minutes. And that time I was running that road, red road, name is red road. This is 6 lane road, 3 lane upside, 3 lane downside. Look this. Done 20 minutes, remaining 10 minutes. Smooth pace, 5 minutes per kilometer. Almost done, remaining 3 minutes. I was complete 27 minutes. Look.
Duration 30 minutes. Distance 5.81 kilometers. Current pace 6 minutes 59 seconds. Average pace 5 minutes 9 seconds.